Alright, Texas Babe here. I wanted to show y'all something that I've been working on. I'm going shooting today, and everyone really enjoys the targets where you can see clearly where your bullet went because of the little ring that's made around it. I actually don't know what those things are called, but they're super expensive, those stickers. So this is an alternative. I've never tried it, but I heard that it works, so I'm gonna try it today at the range. Basically, you take a bright neon color paper. I bought cardboard. I bought bright pink and then a bright green that you can see right here. So you basically spray paint it, but before you spray paint it, you put some of this masking tape on it, and you just cover the entire thing with masking tape, and then you spray paint it. Black is ideal because you'll see a huge contrast between the black and then the bright green or pink. Unfortunately, I ran out of black, so here's a green target that's going to be red, and I think I'll do the pink one in, I don't know, silver or something, gold. So I haven't tested these out yet. I'm going to the range today, but I will let you know how effective they are. It could be that I used, that maybe a different spray paint would work, or maybe a different type of paper or different tape. So there's all sorts of factors into this, but hopefully these will work, and if they do, it's going to save me a lot of money. I plan on cutting these targets in half or in fourths. That way I can use them a little bit more. My beginning ones have a lot of these like little wrinkly things, and I'm hoping that that doesn't affect it too much. But then obviously as time went on, I got a little bit better. This one barely has any air pockets. So anywho, I'll let you know how it works. It's cheap, it's easy. Now we just gotta make sure it's effective. As you can see, the targets worked. She interviews local construction workers. Yay!